Once you start using Google Mail, you may want to bring in mail from external accounts, so you only have to check one inbox. This is a great way to move over to a new email address. One way to do this is to use Mail Fetch. Fetching mail allows you to bring all the mail that currently exists in the external inbox as well as new mail. This feature is used when you want to bring in the old and the new. To do this, click on Settings and choose Accounts and Import. Under Check Mail from Other Accounts using POP3, select Add a POP3 mail account you own. In this case, we're going to bring mail in from another Gmail account. Enter the email address and click on Next Step. Here you'll be prompted to enter the username, password, and the POP server settings. For Gmail, the settings are pop.gmail.com port 995. Check with your other email accounts for those POP server settings. You have the option to leave a copy of a retrieved message on the server, which would leave a copy of that mail in another mailbox as well as bring it over to here. Always use a secure connection, SSL, when retrieving mail. This provides an additional level of security. If you select Label Incoming Messages, the messages can be labeled as they come in from the other account. By default, the label applied is the email address of the account it's coming from. You can apply an existing label or a new label to incoming messages. You can also choose to archive incoming messages from this account, meaning they'll skip the inbox and go directly to the label, or if no label is selected, it will skip the inbox and go directly to all mail. Once you've made the appropriate settings, click on Add Account. Your mail account will have been added and you can now retrieve mail from this account. You're also given the option to send mail as this account. If you leave it selected as yes, you can always change it later. Click on Next Step. Enter the information about your other email address. So if you're sending as Computer Plathos, for example, you may want the name to be. Deselect Treat as an alias to avoid circling of emails, and click on Next Step. Before you can send mail as the other account, you will need to verify that. So click Send Verification and then retrieve the verification code from that account and verify it. Once you have done that, click on Verify, and you'll see that in Accounts and Import, you can now check mail from other accounts, and it will automatically begin checking mail from your external account, and you'll have the ability to send mail as the other account if you've so chosen.